Hi Farah.
Hi Sandra.
So, did you attend the lecture yesterday about smoking tobacco?
Oh yes, it was so interesting and I had searched for some more information about it.
And what did you find?
I read about passive smoking. That's when you breathe smoke from another person who's smoking next to you. It's also called second-hand smoking. It's also recommended that parents do not smoke anywhere near their children.
Yeah, and I also heard about nicotine and its effects on the brain. It is a stimulant which makes a person feel more alert. It is also an addictive drug. That's why it's difficult to give up on smoking.
I also know that nicotine damages the circulatory system, making blood vessels narrower. This leads to having high blood pressure problems, leading to hypertension. Moreover, smokers have a greater chance developing coronary heart disease than non-smokers.
Cigarettes also contain tar that contains many different chemicals. Some are carcinogens and can cause cancer. Chemicals can affect the behavior of some of the cells in the respiratory passages and the lungs, causing them to divide abnormally. The cells divide over and over again, forming a lump or a tumor. If this tumor is malignant, this is cancer. Cells may break away from the first tumor and spread to other parts of the body, where new tumors will grow. Almost everyone who gets lung cancer is a smoker or has lived or worked in an environment where they have been breathing in other people's cigarette smoke.
Do you know that carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas which affects the blood? It combines with hemoglobin inside the red blood cell.
And so it means that less oxygen can be carried by the red blood cells, and therefore the body's cells are deprived of oxygen, right?
Exactly, and it's especially harmful for a baby growing in his mother's uterus. When the mother smokes, the baby gets all the harmful chemicals in its blood, and carbon monoxide can prevent him from growing properly.
Yeah, this is extremely dangerous. And smoking is linked to heart disease, as smoking increases the risk of developing high blood pressure. As blood passes through the lungs, it absorbs many substances from cigarette smoke. Some of these make the walls of the arteries get thicker and harder.
I also read that the walls cannot stretch and recoil as easily as the blood surges through them. Smoking also makes it more likely that a blood clot will form inside a blood vessel, including the coronary arteries that supply the wall of the heart with oxygenated blood. Oh, the break is over. We'll talk about it later on. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Created using PowToon.